Jai Bharat, I'm doing what I love doing. I love being with my students. So, again, we are here with one more episode, and this time we are reflecting on many things. So many times when we pause, we think if I could go back, if I could go to the future, there are so many things we can add, we can change, we can relive if we could. So, today, these wonderful students of grade 5, they are surprising me with their questions, and all their questions start with if you could. So I really do not know what I could or what I will or what I should. But let's see how this entire episode goes. So, children, are we ready? Yes. You are ready with your questions? Yes, ma'am. Questions are going to be difficult? Yes, ma'am. So let's start.
Jai Bharat ma'am, if you could change anything in the world, what would you change first?
This is a difficult question. But if I ever get an opportunity to do that, I would like to eliminate violence, terrorism, and a lot of other negative things from the world, because I always want the world to be the safest place, not just for my children, not just for you, but when you will grow up. I want you to grow up in the world where a lot of positivity is there, where a lot of opportunities are there, and you are not falling in the trap of anything that is negative. There are many things which I won't be able to speak right now, but I want a world to be a safer place.
If you could be the education minister, what will you do?
That's a big responsibility, right? Education minister means I need to take care of the entire country's education. So you are students, you know what I will do first thing? I think I will come to all the students and ask them what kind of education they are looking for. And I will revisit our Upanishads and Vedas in our Gurukul system, and I will form a system which is a true blend of our ancient education system and the modern world, because we are preparing you for the uncertain future. So you need to get the best of education.
If you could go back to your school life, what would you like to learn?
If I could go back to my school life, there is something I really want to learn, that is Malkham. We never had Malkham in our school. And I'm not only talking about pole Malkham as well as rope Malkham. I want to learn both. Maybe one day.
If you could master any skill within seconds, what would it be?
Get this one skill, which is getting invisible and being in so many places at one time. I would love to do that. So what I'll do is I'll get invisible, I'll have a lot of my avatars, and I can be in all the classes, right? All 50 classes together at one time only. Not just to monitor what you are doing, just to ensure that I'm safeguarding you all.
Ma'am, if you could travel any place in the world, which place it would be, why and what will you do there?
Can I go beyond the world also? Is that okay? So I think I would like to discover a new planet. That is where I would like to go. I would like to go to universe, discover a new planet, and maybe someday all of us will go there together. And can we name that planet as SWS planet? Our discovery, our planet, and a new SWS there.
If you could go back to any memorable trip of your life.
This is beautiful. This takes me back to, I think, 1992, when we had gone to Sikkim for trekking. So I was in Airwing NCC, and from there we went for trekking. And it was beautiful because it was winter season, and there was a lot of fog, a lot of mist, and all what we could see is clouds walking with us. Suppose you were walking in front of me, I could only see your head, because my head and my body was also covered with or surrounded by cloud everywhere. So I can still close my eyes and I can see me walking on the clouds, over the clouds, and with the clouds. That is something that I want to relive again and again and again.
If you could add one day in a week, which day it would be?
This is very interesting. The day I would like to add is, let's add fun day. So we'll have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, fun day, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Fair enough? We can freeze this?
Yes.
Now let us see whom we have to write, whether to education minister or prime minister or somebody in the world, to say add a special fun day for students, right? But do we want fun day as a holiday or fun day as a school day? Okay, fun day as a half school day and half day with your parents, right?
Yes.
So fun with your friends and teachers and fun with your parents.
If you could go back to your childhood, What would you do?
I'll tell my parents more often that how much I love them. I will cherish my mother's homemade food again and again and again. And I would like to go back to my school corridors where I have learned, where I have grown, and I would like to express my gratitude to all my teachers once again for who I am today.
If you could give us any one power, what would it be?
The superpower or the power that I would like to give you is to dive deep down to your parents' heart and see how much they love you, see their struggle, and understand them. Because many a times, what is happening, this generation feels that their parents don't understand them, right? You always have your own things, and parents have some suggestions for you, but you feel that our parents are against us. Every time I say that your parents love you, so I want to give you that superpower. Understand your parents' emotions, understand your parents' feeling, and love them wholeheartedly.
If you could add a future sports in a school, which sports it would be and why?
If I have to add a new sports to the school, maybe I'll add something which is more adventurous, like because I myself am a very adventurous person. So maybe skydiving, paragliding, those kind of sports I would like to add. You have asked all the questions that you wanted to ask. Now, may I ask you one question?
Yes, ma'am.
And we need all spontaneous answers, right? It has to come from your heart, and these answers should be very honest answers. Are you ready for my question?
Yes, ma'am.
So give me any one word that comes to your mind when you see your parents.
Hardworking, lovely, helpful, courageous, kindness, honest, protective, multitasking, active, respect.
I really had a lovely session with you. And I firmly believe that when we give you these kind of wings, to explore, I see a different version of my students. And that is why we are having these conversations. Did you enjoy the conversation?
Yes, ma'am.
With this, we close today's podcast. So be open for more conversation, whether it is parents or teachers. Conversation is the key to come close to this generation. So be open for more things and be open for next podcast. See you soon.